Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to join SHEIN as a seller. Just type in SHEIN seller on any browser and click on this link, sell on SHEIN marketplace. This will take you to seller eu-shein.com. If you're in the EU, if you're in the US, use the -US one. And then here, you just come and hover over sell and then click on apply now. You can either go ahead and do the UK one right here if you're in the UK, or if you're anywhere else in Europe, use this one, European Station Registration. And then all you need to do here is fill in this form. You need to go ahead and agree to the Global Seller Privacy Notice. Make sure you've read that if you haven't. Then you go ahead and fill in your information, your first name, last name, your job title, your email address, phone number, okay, and then hit here on next. After that, you go ahead and click on next, and they'll need to go ahead and fill in information about your company name, your headquarter location, company website, what's the main product category that you sell, the estimate number of total SKUs in your product catalog, your company's annual revenue. Things like these are optional. Anything with an asterisk you need to fill in, and they'll ask you about your business if you can share some links to your marketplace stores so they can explore your products and learn about what you offer. And then just go ahead and submit this, and they'll see whether you meet the requirements, the revenue thresholds, because SHEIN often looks for sellers with an established minimum annual revenue. Usually it's $5 million in the US, but this can vary by region. And after they actually approve you in the first stage, you'll need to prepare documents, legal documents, to send them to show that you are a verified business. And then once they verify your documents, they'll take you through this onboarding process. They'll usually reach out back to you within 1 business day. Otherwise, it's really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.